Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video, and if you're new here, my name is Rebecca Jamir and I make food videos. So today we are going to make this buff la midasudo. We call it apang la mangsu in our language. So today we are going to make this. Yesterday we went in Gurgaon Sadar Bazaar for some shopping. So nearby that masjid, we went and enjoy a lot eating there buff meat and also with that tandoori roti. So khabi khaichi aru kinena bi anishe. Eto buffalo la meat ase. This is buffalo meat. So today we are going to cook this in a Naga style. So let's start cooking. So eto boil guru pila mon kukuri bonai ase. You can use in an open vessel also, but in open vessel it will take time. Like this, like half an hour you have to cook. So, juldi bunabo nimide, we will cook it in a cooker, pressure cooker. Pani thali dibi, thanda pani. So in half cup halije pani. Then we will add salt. Ginger paste, and dry red chilies. So pressure cooker bunai ase, so 4 or 5 whistle koribo to hoi jabo. If you are cooking in an open vessel, cook for half an hour, but in pressure cooker like 4 or 5 whistle is enough. So we will cover it and we will wait for that 4 or 5 whistles. Yeah, mangso to bhal pakki dije. Yeah, ito we'll take out all these dry red chilies and we'll pound it. Mangso to olop tan thagije. So like 7-8 times whistle kiba gonna bunai je. So sometimes it's up to the meat. If it's soft, then 4 or 5 whistle bra hoi jabo, but it was a little bit hard, so 7-8 times nijna koriche moi. I've taken out all the dry red chilies. We will pound it, but before that, we will first add this one. This is 2 types of bamboo shoot. Idolo mihin type ase, and this is whole. So this whole the mon straight kona hali dibo do. Notice la saman abnyan lo mujale island lo bra lo baribo. Bamboo shoot whole do hali dije, aru jaluk mihin wala do hali dibo. And remember, right after adding the bamboo shoot, don't stir it, just let it boil it by itself. Now we will pound these dry red chilies. Ito michinga la kuti ase, bambong la kuti. So ito olop gorom koribo. Gorom korina pound kana mangso de hali dibo. Jo marcha to main korchi to wapas hali dibo ja. Just 5 minutes jina cook koribo. Idia mangmung guti do idu bi mihin koribo. So, michinga ko dibe halini hoide. Michinga kuti halal man barra bunda ase. So after 5 minutes biji do hoise. Chalo ija bhat khao. Cooking so hoise ija to bhat khao mon. Sabi aji do ajila main recipe buffalo laga meat to. Apang la meat to. Wow. Chalo. Idu khabo aji do. Aro idu logode aji do moilo di pickle bishi baina ase. To idu pickle bi mix kona khabo. So I got these pickles from Bachchu's Pickle. So therefore mugi to send koriche. Iman bhal bhal ase moi kuma pada taste kori doise. Do akuni aro beef ase do. Ini mustard oil fry koriche. Ginger, garlic, king chili, dry chili powder, vinegar, salt, and spices. So idu ase ingredients kando. So idu akuni with beef ase. Buji bhala ase. Aru idu ase with beef innards. Almost khatam hoye ase moi do. Sabi man crispy kona. And then Bombay duck fish. Moi first samne fish to dikhane to Bombay duck asni bhabi dekhisle moi to. Kale Bombay duck noi to fish la naam ase. Najane fish la naam bi kumra Bombay duck kuna rakhise. So ni ase do. Edu bishi bhala ase. And then sabi karela laga pickle bi bai. So idu bi khai sabo mon. Wow. Sabi to? Oh my god. Karela da tam choto choto slice bana ka dijiye. See this. Man bhalo. It's not so bitter also. Bishi bhala ase. And the next is silkworm. Silkworm is sabi. Wow. Bishi bhalo ode. Aro edu chicken bi ase aro chana bi mix kurina ase. Chala edu bi khai jabo. Chal janagan type nishna ase. Man bhala ase. Ido chicken chana. Aru ido fish ase do. Fish pickle ase. Chalo khai jabo. Homemade fish pickle ase. Bishi bhala ase. Aru ekta ase. Chicken la pickle ase debe. Shredded chicken. Aya. So bhala ase. Tasty ase. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 items ase. Ekta bhi binaon nai. So tasty ase. It's so tasty. Aru idu homemade ase. Bachchu's Pickle buna laga ase. So avani loom jale if you want to buy these then you can order it from Instagram. Tala Instagram na naam Bachchu's Pickle ase. You can search in Instagram and you can order it from there. Bachchu's Pickle will deliver all over India. So avani khor laga saman khawum jale khor miss kuri na homemade pickles kan khawum jale you can order it from there. So it's very tasty. Bachchu's Pickle, thank you so much for sending me these many pickles. I'm going to enjoy it today. Chalo, moi laga recipe taste kuri sawo. Moi la recipe bi bishi bhala ase de. Wow. Buffalo laga meat Naga style ban nakhai na bishi din hoje. Aji bunajle wow. Really, it's too good. I'm staying in Gurgaon, so you can get it in Gurgaon Sadar Bazaar. Nearby that masjid you can get. Tel na. Ajida. Tikchi so kutung godu glass moi. So guys, आज तो एकदम enjoy कर रहे हैं मैं buffalo lamid लोग हैं and बच्चों से pickle इमान बिशेष सभी. I don't know which I will eat, but I'm going to eat all. सब taste कर जो मैं एकदम भाला से एकदम. So guys, this is so nice. This recipe is also too good and too lazy. Okay guys, if you want to buy homemade pickles, then you can buy it from Bachchu's Pickle. The Instagram handle will be in the description, so you can check it out from there. Bachchu's Pickle will deliver all over India, and like I said, it's very tasty. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and once again, Bachchu's Pickle, thank you so much for sending me these many pickles. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Tada.